everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another walkthrough. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you'd have seen me talking about a gentleman called Paul Ford. Now, let me tell you, this guy is just pure amazing. His work is amazing. He's so generous with his shares and his dimensions and everything. He literally cannot give his viewers enough. Like, honestly, it's high praise. Like, I can't, there's nothing I can say that can make it express how I feel about this guy. I really need to meet him as well. That's like one of my things, and I've literally only just found him. I must have been under a rock because, as you all know, I love mini albums and stuff like that, and he does tons and he gives you all the dimensions. I've probably said that, but I'm just repeating myself 9 out of 10. I do apologise if I am. I just get excited when I start talking about him. So I've been watching quite a lot of his things, and I'm like, right, I'm going to actually get down to it and see if I can make one. And he makes it so easy. Not only does he give you the dimensions, he also makes the videos, and it's step by step, and it's usually, if it's a bare minimum 3 videos, a walkthrough of what you can make, one of making the overall cover and spine, and then the next one is telling you how to decorate it, so you know, the pockets and everything. And honestly, he's just so unique. It's just awesome. And this is the project I decided to go with, thinking I'll probably mess it up and it won't turn out that great. And I generally just use some really old scrapbook pages that was rather gifted to me, or that I bought when I first got into crafting, because I bought a load of papers that somebody was selling off, and I've not done anything with them, and I thought, right, let's just try them. So all these papers are mismatched, and I don't know if they go together or not. They probably clash. It's mainly flowers. Well, I think it is all flowers in here, but I really had fun. Now, this is actually called the Deluxe wallet, and all I've got to finish off now is some more glossy accents on the front and back, because I've done the insides but I've not done the front and back, and I just thought I'd share with you before I did that. So as you can see, it's quite a substantial folder as such, and you could do so much with this. So then it opens up like this, and then opens up like this, and I will not be able to get it on full camera view. If I put it this way, got more of a chance. So basically it won't be the right way for you viewing, but you can see where it's going. So we've got these pockets here. He uses the circle dies to make these, but I don't have those from Cool Cats. I just have the hexagon ones, so I just use them. And if you haven't, just use whatever you've got, and you all come up with a different closure. You use magnets and stuff. And in here, and both of these are the same, you have got lots and lots of spaces to put 4x6 photographs in there. And that's a thing that he does a thing to maximize how many photos you get, and so you're not wasting your paper. And he also does lots of paper pieces. It's just amazing. And this side is the same, and I don't know if you can see, but I put lots of glossy accents on the papers as well, and just to make it a bit prettier. And then this section, you just open this flap, so you've got a big photo mat here. You can have a big photo mat here. Now, Paul did use some of the Cool Cats dies to place a photo in, but I didn't have those, so I'm just going to have to glue photographs on there. So I'm just going to turn this one around so that you can see what happens. And then we've made these closures again, very similar to Paul's, but not quite the same. And it's just a mirror image, and it opens up like so, and opens up like that. And then in here, I've put lots of glitter on this page, and you can poke things through. Just grab this card, so you can put like some things in there. And this is like a corset design. Again, I've just used everything the same as Paul, but he used circles, I've used hexagons. And then we'll concentrate on this side, because that's just the exact same anyway. I've just used this wax stringer, which I got from Amazon. I'm not too sure where Paul got his from. And basically this comes out here, and I'm sorry about all the glitter, I've not dusted it all off. And we've got more photo mats there, and then you've got this side again with more photo mats, and they just go in really snug. So I'll put them in later. And then on this side we've got a pocket here where we can put lots and lots of more photographs. It's all like linked for 6x4 photographs, so it will make your life that bit easier, and then it just all folds back up again like so. I mean, I couldn't even tell you how many photographs this holds, but it holds a lot, and I can't wait to make another one, but in my nicer papers. Not that these are not nice papers, but my more expensive papers, so they coordinate and stuff like that. So yeah, this is my deluxe wallet that I've made with Paul Ford, and please go and check him out. I hope you like it, and hope you give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and hopefully I shall catch you in the next video. Bye.